Welcome to Vietnam!
One egg only for you. One egg only for you.
You're the best! What is your name?
Emma.
Emma. Ah. Sabi ni Arvin, you can't get. What is this?
Pork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, pork.
Tutuwa si Baklani.
A course of action that should be pursued by the management. And one
San Juanico Bridge ang dignity. Inaata nila natin, pwede nila sabi namin. 5 litro na ata nila.
Oh, long tunnel.
The Chi Tunnel adventure begins!
So Vietnam border 3 countries. In the north part of Vietnam, we border China, and we border Laos, border Cambodia. So 3 countries.
This store is one of the stopover going to Chi Tunnel. This store is specialized in producing and selling handicraft products made by individuals with disability.
Secret entrance, and those are original. But no worry, you have a bigger one to get into the tunnel. So every like 20 meters to 40 meters, there will be the entrance. And if you pay attention to this one, you realize it's quite narrow, just about 20 centimeter wide and about 30 or 35 centimeter long. Three forms of the regular fox at that time. Yeah, ready? So
Today, the Chi Tunnels are a popular tourist attraction. Visitors visit from around the world.
and the reason why they didn't want to make the entrance bigger, because first they didn't want American get in. If the soldier they fall into this one, bamboo will come to their body to kill them or injure them. And one of the soldier in the troop fall into the traps that we call regular fox. They are professional. And the other have black suits. They are local fox. Local fox mean they are farmers. Yeah, they are farmers. They are people from the village, but they join for fighting. They help. And the farmer in Vietnam, they always have black suit like that, like in Mekong Delta and many where else.
This store is really for the walk. Lakad ng lakad. Oh, I learned a lot. The site displays of war of remnant, including traps, weapons, and artifacts from the Vietnam War, providing a glimpse into the wartime experience.
That's interesting. You know, after the war, American they live big days. So they can make a money from that one today. So
The bullet for you?
real, yeah, real bullet.
Takbo pa! Takbo!
Okay, takbo.
Ten, 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 ten. O, magsitenteng ka nga.
Hey!
Ay.
Yung naka, ano, sa orange na.
Be, dapat di ka na bumili ng sapatos mo. Dito ka na.
Designed by Ho Chi Minh, the first founder communist of Vietnam. He very simple, very common. He realized the unused car tires. Just for a short tunnel and experience quickly, you
Video?
No, it's just start.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh my. Oh, I have to jump. I have to jump. Okay. Yeah. Too dark. And then this one, it's going.
No.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So,
This is 20.
huh?
This is 20 meters. Shortest.
Okay, we go. We can go.
Maybe you want to go out.
Oh my goodness. Is it far? There's an electric fan. And then what is this? It's so dark. And then this one?
Second axis 40.
Second access. And how many access is this?
2 more.
Two more? We can go? Okay. We just end our journey here. Thank you so much. Oh my. Hindi na namin kaya. Guys, we can't. Yeah. We're gonna go out. My, whoops.
The struggle for the five people.
Whoops. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Success! Congratulations! Ting 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 ting. Oh my. Are you good?
Aren't you tall?
It's hard.
Your struggle.
Do you crawl?
No, I'm not wearing any pants. So I'm crouching.
Same with us.
You should hold the both sides. Just like spider. To make it faster.
4 years.
You know, and later he became the Prime Minister of Vietnam. And if you go in here, you will see there is a bed.
The restroom.
Baka may tipa.
And then this is the next level of tunnel.
Yeah.
If
This is the
ever.
pillow.
Yeah, that is the pillow. It's made of
Wood.
and there is a teapot.
Of the tunnel. This is the model of the tunnel.
So good.
Welcome to Mekong River, Mekong Deltas. And in this city here with the names Metro City, MYTHO, Metro City. And Metro City is named the land with the beautiful girl and has
Welcome the tourists from Asia. Asia and Pacific are real and not to be done. Oh, here they come. Our beloved tourists from
The front of the water bin will pull out the raw jelly. Raw jelly. That is good for the green bean. And in here, for local people, they want to collect the raw jelly for jelly.
Hello! Philippines!
Pass your paper.
This is the water coconut or water.
Pulin lahat yan. Ants.
Hello! Oh my! Your hand! Hey, are you enjoying? Are you enjoying your ride?
Kaya ko yan, pero walang cucumber. Sabihin mo walang cucumber.
Tanggalin mo na lang. Hindi babalutin niya eh. Oh.
Pwede mo naman tanggalin.
Pwede ba naman iba nun naman yan?
Huwag mo nang gawing complicated ang life niya.
Hindi siya maintindi.
Hirap.
Hindi mo mabuksan. Isa lang.
It's okay.
For the pinado.
Look down. Rub the bank for me. And the sad girl anywhere. Okay, baby.
Okay.